Get ready for a revolutionary new transportation system that will take you on a scenic journey along the country's beautiful coastline. Imagine gliding along the water, taking in the stunning views while enjoying a smooth and efficient ride. Don't miss out on this engineering marvel and the opportunity to experience the beauty of Norway like never before. Norway is known for its natural beauty, from its majestic fjords to its picturesque coastline. But as the population grows and the demand for transportation increases, the country faces a challenge, connecting its remote coastal communities while preserving the environment. That's where the massive Coastal Floatline Highway comes in. This innovative transportation system is designed to connect coastal towns and villages while minimizing the impact on the fragile coastal ecosystem. The floating highway will consist of a network of floating platforms anchored to the seafloor. These platforms will be connected by a series of bridges, allowing cars and buses to travel along the coast without needing traditional roads and tunnels. Not only will this reduce the environmental impact, but it will also provide a new way for locals and tourists to experience the beauty of Norway's coastline. Building the massive coastal floating highway is no small feat, but Norway is up to the challenge. The country has a long history of innovative engineering and infrastructure projects, and this one is no exception. The funding for the project will come from a combination of government grants and private investments. One of the key players in the funding process is the Norwegian Ministry of Transport and Communications, which has committed to providing a significant portion of the funding for the project. The ministry recognizes the importance of the floating highway for connecting coastal communities and preserving the environment, and they are fully supportive of the project. In addition to government funding, the project will also be financed through private investment. Companies from all over the world are eager to be involved in this innovative project, and the Norwegian government is working to attract the best and brightest minds in engineering and infrastructure to help make the massive coastal floating highway a reality. Norway's massive coastal floating highway is more than just a transportation project. It's a game changer for the country. This innovative system has the potential to bring a wide range of benefits to Norway and its people. One of the most apparent benefits of the floating highway is that it will make it much easier for people to travel along the coast. This will be a massive boom for the tourist industry, as more people will be able to visit Norway's beautiful coastal towns and villages. Additionally, the floating highway will make it easier for locals to travel between communities, which will be beneficial for both businesses and personal reasons. The floating highway will also be helpful for the environment. Traditional roads and tunnels can disrupt the local ecosystem, but the floating highway will minimize this impact. The platforms will be anchored to the seafloor, so they won't disturb the natural habitat of marine life, and the bridges connecting the platforms will be designed to blend in with surrounding landscapes. The project will also have a positive impact on the economy. It will create jobs and opportunities for local businesses, making it easier for goods and services to be transported between coastal communities. This will be particularly beneficial for areas currently isolated and challenging to access. Construction of the floating highway will create jobs for engineers, construction workers, and other skilled tradespeople. These jobs will not only provide a much-needed boost to the economy, but also provide a pathway to long-term employment for many people. The project will also require the service of environmental experts, architects, and designers, opening up new opportunities in those fields. Once the floating highway is completed, it will create jobs in the tourism and transportation sectors. The improved transportation along the coastline will make it easier for people to visit Norway's beautiful coastal towns and villages, increasing the demand for tour guides, hotel staff, and restaurant workers. The floating highway will also make it easier for goods and services to be transported between coastal communities, creating logistic and transportation jobs. The floating road will also have a positive impact on the local economy. Small businesses in coastal towns and villages will benefit from increased tourism and easier market access. This will lead to job opportunities in retail, hospitality, and other service industries. Norway's massive coastal floating highway is an innovative transportation system designed to connect the country's coastal towns and villages while minimizing the impact on the coastal ecosystem. Cars and buses can travel along the coast without needing traditional roads and tunnels. The project is expected to cover a significant portion of Norway's coastline, including Bergen, Ilsund, Trondheim, and Tromsø. It is likely to reduce the environmental impact while providing a new way for locals and tourists to experience the beauty of Norway's coastline. It will create jobs and opportunities for local businesses, and it will have a positive impact on the economy. The funding for the project will come from a combination of government grants and private investment. The construction is being managed by some of the world's best engineers and construction companies. The project is still in development, and the exact location and routes will be decided based on environmental and economic factors. Only time will tell how valuable and essential this highway proves for the citizens of Norway. Well, with that, we'll catch you guys next time. Until then, keep an eye on this fantastic engineering marvel.